Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to transfer all indicators in Tradingview from one chart and apply them to another. If you are tired of adding indicators one by one every time you open a new chart, this video is for you. An indicator is a tool we apply to charts that calculates and displays market data, such as price, volume, or open, high, low, close data. These help us identify trends, momentum, volatility, and possible entry or exit points. These visual customizable tools help us analyze market behavior, make better trading decisions, and spot chart patterns on any chart. Let's go to the tutorial. We will do this step by step, so even if you are new, you can follow along. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. You will be redirected to the main page. At the top, you can see your account. Log into your account. After logging in, go to Products. Under Products, you can see Super Chips. Now, transferring all the indicators is simple. The purpose of transferring all indicators is to help us analyze price movements. This TradingView feature saves time and keeps our chart analysis consistent by copying indicators, their settings, strategies, and visual layouts to other charts, timeframes, and assets without rebuilding everything from scratch. This helps us make accurate comparisons, improve our workflow, and keep a disciplined approach by using the same tools across different markets. To copy or transfer all indicators, go to the upper part of the screen. You will see 4 boxes, Indicator Templates. Click this one. For example, if we already have some templates here and want to transfer one to another layout, just go to the top part. You will see Indicator Template. Click it. You click this. Click the Save Indicator Template. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can see the list of your indicators. Save all the indicators here so we can paste or transfer them to another layout. If you want to include the symbols or the interval MENA, you can check those options. Now, let's put the name. Let's call it Sample on Transfer as an example. Once you are done, click Save. Now your template and indicators have been copied. To paste it, for example, let's open a new layout. Let's remove all the indicators. As you can see, there are no more indicators or symbols. To load them, go back to the templates at the top and click it. Then, just click Open Template. As you can see, your templates are here. Just double-click it, and it will load. This is how we transfer all indicators in TradingView. This makes it easy to move our full setup to another chart without starting from scratch. Once we click Save, it saves a lot of time when switching charts or layouts. Faster setup, cleaner charts.